Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Now, I made a video of mini sliding blackboard. This is Shaban from Lambisite Educational Equipment Group. You can check this sliding writing board. The dimension is 100 centimeter by 500 centimeter. This one is for showing borderless sliding blackboard. You can check here. Here, this one is made by hand, not the finished mass-produced sliding board. You see, from here and here, there is no any border like this to block. Actually, there is a little difference. There is a little difference between this mini sample and the big size mass-produced sliding board is here. For the real product, there's no border here and here. This one, the frame color is champagne color. Let us see the back side. You see here, the border, the edge of the sliding element is, based on the bending technology. From this way, and here, you will understand. Some clients will ask, Shaban, how can I make the OPS maintenance? We made an innovation designing. It's this hinge designing. When interactive flat panel has a problem, clients can, lose the screw here and also lose the screw here. Then clients can move, like rotate the fixed element this way. Then they will get around 10 centimeter to 15 centimeter space, and then clients can put the hands inside, then pull the OPS out from the touch screen slot. Here, the hinge. Here is the accessories for fixing the fixed element. This is what we designed, how to make maintenance of OPS. About this borderless sliding, just now you will see here, this edge, we made the bending technology. That is how we make it genuine frameless or borderless designing. Actually, this is made by hand, so there's some link here. But for the mass production big size sliding board, there is no such issue. If you need the sliding whiteboard and the silver frame, we may request MOQ. Actually, from technical technical issue, there is no problem. Just MOQ, because when we order the raw material, you know, some supplier also has request of MOQ for us also. Why many clients choose Lambicide as their long-term partner? My understanding is our quality control and some technical strengths. You know, we came across many stories. You know, because of the factory is very small and they have not enough technical control. You know, here the glue, you know, for laminating the writing surface to the center core materials, so the glue will lose the writing surface and the center core material. They separated from each other, so the writing board will become useless. Another issue is our frame material. You know, our frame material is very strong and enough thick. The thirdly is here. You know, normally for the product, we didn't learn from other cheap product, make it narrow, such like also like the profile thickness. Some clients make it like 0.6 millimeter, 0.7 centimeter, so their production cost will reduce very much. But you know, to maintain our reputation and long-term use, actually we fear to do such trick. The third one is you know, our automatic laminating equipment, you know, to make sure the gluing between the writing surface and the center material, you know, is enough strong for the durable usage purpose. So quality control, raw material choice, our material IQC and OQC, you know, will show you Lambest brand, Lambicide Educational Equipment Group will make sure you will get the top quality sliding writing board system. To avoid any potential trouble or headache, choose us. You will never regret. Thank you.